Hey, this is Kat. In a few minutes, I will show you how you can find validated business IDs with Build a Keyword. Lee and I have been working on multiple side projects in the last couple of years, and it showed us the harsh truth that building the product is the least challenging part. It's doing marketing and getting a steady flow of potential customers to your website that is really hard and where we lose most of the time our motivation. So, when we learned about the strategy of untapped keywords from successful serial founder Danny Postma, we were hooked. And we decided to create Build a Keyword to make it even easier to find these untapped keywords. These untapped keywords have decent search volume, which means people are actually searching for it, and they have low competition, which means it's feasible to rank in the top 10 on Google. And if you build a good product around that keyword, get some backlinks on other websites, then you will have traffic on autopilot, which is our golden dream. Let me show you how we help you do that. So Build a Keyword exists out of 4 products. First, there is the ID library. Here we curate untapped keywords with business potential for you. It's a library of hundreds of IDs, and new IDs are added every week. Next, we have single search. And single search checks for you if your product ID is an untapped keyword. You can input any keyword. And it checks for you 3 things. It checks for you if monthly search volume is higher than 500. We recommend more than 500 monthly searches for one country to create a viable product. It checks for you if the keyword difficulty is lower than 20. The keyword difficulty is a metric between 0 and 100 that shows how hard it is to earn a prominent position in a search engine. We recommend a value lower than 20 because this means you will only need 20 mentions and some basic search engine optimization work to rank in the top 10. And it also checks for you if there are enough related keywords. This is a third important factor because if there are enough relevant keywords, you can create subpages around these keywords and get even more traffic. If you click the little eye icon, you can see the related keywords. Single search is great if you already have an ID in mind. If you want to discover new product IDs, you can use our smart keyword search. So here you input a broad topic that interests you. Let's try Notion. And it will return a list of keywords that all have more than 500 search volume and a lower keyword difficulty than 20. Then you can browse through the list and see which keywords you think are fun, are good product IDs. So let's, for example, take Notion planning. You can bookmark it. You can also see the related keywords. The fourth part of our products are our how-to build guides. And these guides show you step by step how you can go from untapped keyword to product with customers on autopilot. We share what you should pay attention to when building a product, how to optimize your website so search engines can find you, how to create subpages for more traffic, and how to get backlinks for your product. So this was my little tour. One final thing you might find interesting is that we have a newsletter where we share untapped keywords. You can find it if you go to our homepage and subscribe for free. Thanks for watching. And if you have any suggestions, please reach out. We are always happy to chat. Thanks a lot.